freezing. Dang, I'm inside. I just put him in a blanket. Now, he's frozen. Take that off. See if it's going to be a quick episode. Why the heck am I alive? I'm going to put him over here. Oh, there's a type of fire. He's got a blanket. Here's. It's so sad. Got gloves on. It's okay. If he ever comes back, he probably won't. Of course, I don't want to take a chance. Here's part one of me having to turn into a cat. This is part one of me having to do it. There's one on the side. To be able to breathe. I'll heal him for a little bit, and he'll be okay.